check to make sure I'm recording. Hey guys! Right? So, welcome back to Smoothie University. I had to catch this sun because y'all know it's the ending of summer. I hate to see it go, but before we head on out and get to the next season, we got to still do smoothies. No one's off the hook. No one. Right? Y'all like my little setup today? We got the bees out here. We got some good sunlight. Right? Look, the bee even ready. So I had to make sure I write down the name of our smoothie, okay? So don't mind me if I'm reading off the paper. So the name of our smoothie today is called Tropical Fruit Smoothie with Chia Seeds. Y'all don't sound excited about the chia seeds part. Some of y'all need that. All right, so we working on the digestive system. So anybody who knows that chia seeds is good for the digestive system. This sun, yeah, vitamin D me up. Ooh. Okay. Anyway, so let's get started. I have our ingredients here. I have to take the frozen stuff out the freezer. So give me 1 second. Hold on. These bees is about to wild out because I took the fruit out. So y'all know how I always do. I'm going to come closer so y'all can see the fruit up close so y'all can see what we working with today. So here we have some frozen pineapple and some kiwi. It's in there. I'm not sure if you can see it. And a banana. Let me show you the other cup because you probably can see the other cup better. Where you can see your kiwi. Yep. Frozen bananas, kiwi, and pineapple. We're using organic chia seeds. It doesn't have to be organic. Just get what you have. But these are the chia seeds that I'm using. I already measured it out. Here, this is my measurements. We got some honey. You don't have to use honey, it's optional. And we have some ice cubes. I'm probably going to use the ice cubes that they have in the freezer down there because mine's are melting. All right, so let's make our smoothie. All right, B, leave my fruit alone. Okay, so we're going to start blending. So your first things that you want to blend up is your kiwi, your pineapple juice, and your chia seeds, okay? But I froze my pineapple chunks and they're kind of like mixed in. So I'm going to just like blend 1 cup that I have here. Because remember, both cups have the same thing in it. So let me go on this side. Right? Oh, I forgot to let y'all know that this is pineapple juice. 1 cup. My bad. I didn't tell y'all. My chia seeds. There we go. So that's gonna all blend up first. Come on. The bugs is excited. They like, ooh. Ooh. So you're gonna blend those up until it's nice and smooth. Okay? Nice and smooth as funky. All the junkie. All we wanna do is and you. Right, guys? Thanks for sticking with me with Smoothie University. I appreciate y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment below and let me know if you try this smoothie out. Okay, so I'm going to add the rest of the fruit in here. All right. I'm also going to add a little bit of ice. And we're going to put a little honey. Just a little bit. A little swirl. Swirl! And then we're going to blend again. What y'all think it's going to taste like? Y'all think it's going to taste good? Oops, I dropped something. That's okay. I'm picking it up. All right, guys. Let's try it. This is really good. I taste the pineapples. I taste the banana and kiwi. This is good. Y'all gonna like it. It definitely makes you feel like you're in the tropics. Is it me, or anytime that you drink something tropical, I don't know, I be wanting to add some tequila or some vodka or something in it. But not vodka. Excuse that. Some tequila. Some tequila. All right, guys. Comment below. Let me know if you like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And just thank you for watching.